Over the past months, I have been helping businesses to implement automated workflows using anything. And today now, I'm walking you through my exact thinking so that you can build your working agent with absolute confidence. Now, most beginners get confused between AI automation and AI agent. AI automation is just a rule-based robot. It cannot think. If X happens, do Y. And the AI agent has a memory, a brain, and the real tools. It can analyze the problem, remember your past conversations, and make smart decisions on its own. Now, I'm going to show you exactly the framework to build, test, and run your first AI agent within 5 minutes. Okay, let's start with building our first AI agent. To start building our first AI agent, we need to go in Anything. So let's search Anything, go to their website. Here you can start for free in Anything for 14 days. Get started free. Now you need to create an account first. Now submit. Now I need to enter the OTP. Okay. Now I'm giving it a name like Anything test YT. So now I need to give a password. Now account name Anything test YT. Now my workspace is getting ready. This is our dashboard. Let's click here, new workflow. So we start with first step, search AI agent. Here you can see AI agent. But don't panic, I'll explain everything. As you can see, there are two nodes. What is node actually? This one is a node and this one is also a node. It is a node to talk with your AI agent. Let's say I want to chat with my AI agent. Open chat. Hi, send. Our AI agent failed. So the question is why our AI agent failed? Because we didn't give it a LLM model. What is LLM actually? LLM is a large language models as like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. This AI agent needs a brain, and Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, these kinds of LLM models are the brain of this AI agent. So let's give it a brain. I'm giving it Gemini. Okay, now you need to learn about API. API is a tool to communicate with different software. To use Gemini, you need to enter Google's door. API is a key. To enter the door, you need a key. Well, to get the key, you need to pay for API. But thankfully, Google offers us free API. So let's go there. Google AI Studio. Click here. Then get started, log in with your account, and here you can find API key. Create API key, name it, create API. Here is my API. Let's copy key. We need to insert this API to Google Gemini here. To insert this, we need to make a new credential. Set up credential. Let's paste this API. That's it. Rename this in test YT, save it. Yeah, now you can access every Google model. You can see. Let's use Gemini 3.1 flashlight. Now again, we're gonna ask some question. Open chat. As you see, now it's giving us answer. So let's give it a memory. Let's create simple memory. What is memory actually? If you use Gemini or ChatGPT, you can see it knows about you so many things like your name, where you live, what do you do. So this is actually memory. So if you want that your AI agent has memory, a simple memory, this is 5, it's ideal. You say hello, this is 1, what's the price of this product, this is 2. So as like this, how many messages you give to your AI agent. The context window length 5 minutes. Your AI agent can remember 5 messages of yours. Now we want that our agent give us answers according to our database. We need to give a Google Sheet to our AI agent. Google Sheet. Here, go here, signing with Google. Okay, connection successful. Select automatically. Okay, now let's create a fake sheet. Let's go to Google Sheet, create a blank. Okay, let's tell Gemini inside Google Sheet. Make a fake online course database with 3 courses. As you can see, Gemini built a fake database. Okay, give it a name. Anything test. Okay, now connect this sheet to our anything. Set a get rows to get the information. Anything test course database. Okay, now let's ask some question about let's say what's the email and student ID of David Lee. So as you can see, our AI agent gives this answer. This is the student ID and this is the email address as it is. So this is how you can build your first AI agent within minutes.